Hello animators, welcome back. Today we are creating a looping run cycle. Make your character run in place. If you're new here, I post weekly tutorials to help you turn simple sketches into smooth animations right on your phone. Subscribe so you keep up with our weekly tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to draw the 4 key poses of a run, add in between frames for smoothness, loop the run seamlessly so it plays forever. Right into FlipaClip straight away without wasting much of our time. Note, a run cycle has 4 main poses. The first pose is contact pose, and the second pose is down pose, third pose is passing pose, while the fourth pose is up pose. So you have to draw these poses first. Keep it simple, even with stick figures if you like. So what is contact pose? Contact pose is whereby the character's feet stretch apart and both feet are on the ground, while the second pose, which is down pose, is whereby the body lowers and the front foot absorb weight, while the third pose, passing pose, is whereby the one leg passes through the other leg, while the fourth pose is whereby the character moves up and floats in the air. Basically, we adopt this kind of poses in work cycle. If you're yet to watch that in our previous video, kindly click on the right corner of your screen and watch it, and also the link is in the description. So while drawing your character, basically don't worry about the details, just nail the body movement. Keep the head level consistent. Too much up and downs make the run look bouncing. If you want to level up your animation, in the full phone animation course, we delve deeper into advanced cycles like sprinting, jogging. The link is in the description. Now, after you're done with your 4 poses, the contact pose, the down pose, the passing pose, and the up pose, next is to add in betweens. These are the frames between the key poses that make the run smooth. So, in FlipaClip, duplicate frames and adjust legs, arm, and torso gradually. For a smooth run, aim for about 8 frames per step, which equals to 16 frames per full cycle. With this, you get a smooth run cycle. Here is the magic part, looping. Once you reach the last frame, duplicate the first frame at the end so it connects perfectly. Press play and your character is now running endlessly in place. That's your run cycle loop. Once you're good, click on the 3 dots and save your project. Export it as MP4 and click on the Make Movie. Here you have your run loop. Now, this is just part 1. In part 2, I will show you how to make your character run across the screen with a movie background for realism. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. This is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.